Top of the morning. We had to start early this morning, so I actually left the house at like 6:54 a.m. Headed to Sterling, Virginia, which is out near Tyson's, somewhere down that way. But anyway, we on a goal, man. We got a goal. We on a path to the goal. The goal, like I said, 325 a day. We're gonna start early today. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Let's get to it. Now, with that in mind, so we have that monetary goal. That's cool. Let's put that aside for a second. My main goal is to win the day. And what that means is just kind of stay high energy, stay positive, make it through the day, and above all else, make it home safe. We all just want to make it home, you know what I mean, at the end of the day. So I let that kind of be my woosah when I'm in traffic, dealing with all these drivers, especially with the certain tags that I may or may not have mentioned. But that's the main goal, to make it home, and that's a win, regardless as to whether or not we have a great day monetarily, or just an okay day, or just a bad day. Because some days it could just be troubleshoot city, or you get to a certain place and, let's just say the TV didn't show up, or the TV might be damaged, anything like that. And I don't personally like to charge people if I don't do service, even though I did show up to their home. Things happen, and to me that's just great customer service. So I don't want them to feel like they dish your money out, then gotta go and feel inconvenienced about returning their TV and all that good stuff. However, small victories, man, and it's a win. You up, you back out here, you at it. It don't matter what time of the day you start, as long as you start. The hardest part of anything, whether it's a business or whatever it is that you're trying to do to change your situation and make it better, the hardest part is starting. I didn't mean to yell. It's you gotta blame it Dunkin', right? America runs on Dunkin'. And Starbucks, is that even real coffee? Is Starbucks real coffee? No disrespect to Starbucks, but I mean, like, it's for leggings and UGG boots. That's it. Like, I guess that's what they sell there, because it seems like that's what everybody in line has. Again, no disrespect. I'm cool with, I get it. I mean, Starbucks, it's a vibe, right? It's a vibe. But, personally, when it comes to that coffee, Dunkin', yeah. All right, let's get to work. This be the goal sometimes. See that? Y'all see that? I like seeing that, because one day, not that I would need that or that we need that, but it's just positive inspiration to know that it's possible. I like to be out here and see stuff like that. All right. All right, squad, we have arrived. Let's go in here, do our service, add that money to the kitty. Yeah. All right, we're here, and here's what we got. TV, here. Favorite, go-tos, snaps. Always check the bubble juice. Bubble juice. I'm just a chill guy. Just sleeping, just a chill guy. Endless steps. Okay, squad, made it out, and that's another 2 that we add to the kitty, baby, and we gotta keep moving. So I'm guessing here, I think my next stop is I think I'm headed to Northwest, Uptown DC, baby. I see y'all soon. Pardon me, I stay getting it wrong. I'm actually headed to Arlington real quick. Arlington, Virginia. I never know where I'm going until I'm going. I can do a better job. I won't, but I can do a better job at staging my maps. All right, Arlington, Virginia, we on the way, baby. Remember, that's 200 added to the kitty to go to 325. What's the percentage of that? I don't know. We're going to say 63%.